Hi my peeps, what's up, wagwan? Welcome back to your girl Tiana in the house, and welcome back to the healthier side of things. Now guys, please remember to leave me a little like and subscribe for other amazing content coming your way. And guys, if you wish, you can leave whatever recipe or whatever video you want me to make, and I'll try my best to make it for you. All right, now guys, it's the fall season and fall is in. Yeah, beautiful colors. And here I have some pumpkins and I have 1 carrot. I'm gonna make pumpkin and carrot punch or juice. All right, you want to boil it because you know so they mess up me a hard dribbling. Over here, ooh, hi, fire burn me. Over here guys, I have some water on the stove and I'm gonna pour it in. Oops. I'm gonna boil this for about 15 minutes, let it cook somewhat, and then I'm gonna let it cool down and then I'll come back. All right my peeps, I'm back and it's well cooled. It's overdue now guys. All right, so I just have few things I'm gonna flavor it up with. All right, I'm gonna tell you about it while I'm pouring them in. Okay, so first we have our blender here and we're just gonna pour the pumpkin and carrot. The carrot is in the bottom somewhere guys. Ooh. We're gonna pour everything in, water and everything. Ooh. All right, there you go. And now I'm gonna add half can of nutriment. You can add Supplegen, Ensure, peanut punch, whatever you want guys. I have 1 ripe banana, optional. You don't really have to put no banana in it, but I find when you put the banana in it, it kind of give it a smooth and nice taste. All right, I have some dragon and I'm gonna put about half bottle. I'm not gonna use the whole of it guys. Half cup is good. If you don't drink it, don't put much. And now I have my mix essence. I'm gonna put like half teaspoon. Oh, that smells so good. Now I'm gonna put 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. About 1/4 teaspoon cinnamon powder, just a smidge. Give it some flavor. If we can get it out guys. We're gonna put about half teaspoon nutmeg. And the final thing I'm gonna put in it is some condensed milk, and I have half can. I think I'm gonna use about 1/4. I'm not gonna use the whole half can. Because I don't want it too sweet. I think that's good. And now we're just gonna cover this bad boy and we're gonna go puree. And that's it guys. Woo! Look at that goodness guys. All right, we're gonna serve up some. If you want it sweeter, you can add more milk, okay, but I don't want it too sweet, so let's serve up some. All right guys, let's pour some in. See if I can put another. Ooh, there you go. And I have some fresh mint. There you have it guys. Let's not touch it, leave it like that. Let me also put 2 cubes of ice in this one. There you have it. Look at it. Ooh, yes. That's it. Love upon me and I love upon you. You have a good day. I'm gonna have this glass right now, guys. Yeah. Bye, guys.